back to my channel. The 2026 Toyota Supra continues its legacy as one of the most iconic sports cars ever built. And this new model takes things to the next level. From the moment you see it, the Supra's aggressive stance and aerodynamic shape tell you it means business. The front end features sharper LED headlights, a larger grille for improved cooling, and reworked air intakes that not only look fierce, but also enhance airflow for better performance at high speeds. Every curve and line of the Supra's body has a purpose, sculpted to slice through the air and stick to the road with precision. Under the hood, the 2026 Supra doesn't disappoint. Toyota has tuned its 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 engine to deliver even more punch, now producing around 395 horsepower and 390 pound-feet of torque. The result is a blistering 0 to 60 time of just 3.8 seconds. For those who prefer a lighter, more accessible version, the 2.0-liter Turbo 4 option remains, offering impressive balance and agility for everyday driving. Power delivery feels instant, and whether you're on a racetrack or a mountain road, the Supra's 8-speed automatic transmission shifts with lightning precision. Performance isn't just about raw speed, it's about how the car makes you feel. The 2026 Supra's chassis tuning, done in partnership with BMW, offers razor-sharp handling while maintaining a surprising level of comfort for long drives. The adaptive suspension adjusts in real time, making it equally at home cruising the highway or carving through corners. The low center of gravity, near-perfect 50-50 weight distribution, and electronic limited slip differential combine to give the Supra incredible grip and balance through every turn. Step inside, and you're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit that blends luxury with performance. The seats hug you tightly, wrapped in Alcantara and leather, offering both support and style. A new 12.3-inch digital display sits front and center, customizable to show everything from lap times to navigation. The updated infotainment system now includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, with a refined interface that's quicker and more intuitive. Toyota has also improved sound insulation, so you get the best of both worlds. The roar of the engine when you want it, and peace when you don't. The Supra's technology package has taken a leap forward for 2026. You get advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross traffic alert. These features make the Supra more livable for daily use without compromising its performance DNA. The new Supra Connect app lets you remotely monitor your car, start the engine, and even locate it in crowded parking areas. Small touches that make ownership more convenient. From a design perspective, Toyota has refined every detail. The 2026 Supra introduces new color options, including a stunning neon graphite and a supersonic blue, along with lightweight forged alloy wheels and optional carbon fiber accents. The rear is dominated by a sculpted spoiler and quad exhaust tips that not only look menacing, but produce a deep, authentic growl every time you press the throttle. Even the LED taillights are redesigned with a futuristic touch, ensuring the Supra looks as modern as it feels. The Supra's unique selling point has always been its balance, not just between power and control, but between tradition and innovation. It's a car that honors its heritage while pushing boundaries. The 2026 model embodies that philosophy perfectly, combining Toyota's engineering reliability with the heart and soul of a true sports car. For enthusiasts, the Supra is more than just a machine, it's a statement. It's for drivers who crave connection, who want every curve and corner to tell a story. And yet, it's approachable enough that anyone can appreciate its refinement, its design, and its unmatched presence on the road. The 2026 Toyota Supra isn't just about performance figures or specs on paper, it's about emotion, excitement, and experience. It's about the thrill of acceleration, the confidence in every turn, and the satisfaction of driving something that looks and feels special. Whether you're a lifelong Supra fan or a newcomer to the name, one thing is certain. The legend of the Supra isn't just alive, it's faster, sharper, and more exhilarating than ever before.